Hello, savvy viewers. Today we're diving into one of life's most critical financial journeys, saving and investing for retirement. Whether you're just starting your career or are already on the path to retirement, this video is packed with valuable insights to secure your financial future. Let's get started. Understanding the significance of saving for retirement is the first step. It's not just about financial security, it's about enjoying your golden years to the fullest. Set clear retirement goals. Determine the age you'd like to retire, the lifestyle you want, and the expenses you anticipate. Before investing in retirement, establish an emergency fund. This will cover unexpected expenses and prevent you from tapping into your retirement savings prematurely. Explore retirement accounts like 401ks and IRAs. They offer tax advantages and are excellent ways to save for retirement. If your employer offers a retirement plan with a match, take full advantage of it. It's essentially free money for your future. Diversify your investments. A mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets can balance risk and return. Be consistent and disciplined with your contributions. Set up automatic transfers to your retirement accounts to ensure you're saving regularly. Cut back on unnecessary expenses. Every dollar saved today can grow into more money for your retirement. Consider seeking advice from financial professionals or retirement planners. They can help you navigate complex investment decisions. In conclusion, saving and investing for retirement is a journey that requires planning, discipline, and a clear vision of your goals. Remember, it's never too early to start, and every step you take now brings you closer to a secure and enjoyable retirement. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips and insights. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching.